This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, good morning. Welcome back.
Good morning, sir.
Fine. So today we are going to start GCP, right? So already we discussed about GCP yesterday. Theoretically, we understand, right? So today we are going to start working on the GCP.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
Sir,
Go ahead,
I
please.
have query. Keyword it is first setup not done in my laptop. Can you help me, sir?
You can set up in cloud server. Okay. Due to some operating system issue, maybe you could not configure that, right? In your laptop.
In cloud server is real time working, sir, or not?
Yeah. In real-time projects, we always deploy on cloud servers only. We don't deploy on, we
Okay.
don't install on our laptop, right? In real-time
Okay.
projects, we install on AWS servers,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So how to create GCP account? I shown you right already. Any challenges, anyone, while creating account?
Sir, my hello. I have one query also. My GCP account not created, sir, because I am not created.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, I show you one more time how to create GCP account. So make
Okay,
sure
sir.
you will have create the account and you can start practicing from today. So today we are going to create one first VM in GCP, right? First we walk through the console. After that we create some servers, right? Yeah. So how to create GCP account? One more time I show you. Yeah. Open browser. Just type here cloud.google.com. Cloud.google.com. See here. Get started for free. So can you mute everyone? Get started for free. Click on this. Yeah, see here. So this account is 3 months only, not 1 year, 90 days only. So GCP is giving 300 credits, $300 credits. Within this credits only, we can use the resources. Maximum $300 you can use, right? So if you use beyond the limits, account will be suspended. Within that limitations, we have to use the service, right? Yeah, to create account, select country.
Account suspended means we won't be able to use it, or they will charge us more.
No, account suspended means your cloud account, Google account will be closed, stopped. Stopped means you cannot use. Okay. Later you can create one more account, not an issue. Okay, so before that, so you can maintain properly, otherwise account will be suspended, right? Yeah, whatever 3 hours they give, you can use that. Fine. Yeah, now you can select country here, and here organization needs. So what we select here? Personal only. Don't select business here. Select personal, project, or else other. Okay, so select other or personal. I have read and agree to this. Click on next.
Sir, in real time project in personal or other, sir?
Organization, business. In real-time project, we always select business. Okay. Yeah. In real-time projects, we don't create accounts. Already the account will be there. That we can log in and we can work on that. Okay. Yeah. Next one, see here. By default, it is showing business, right? You can click on this and select here individual. It is asking your card number, right? So you need to select the card number, Visa card, MasterCard only. So other cards, it will not be allowed, right? So you can select your card, you can give your card and go next. It will ask you your information, phone number. So it will ask you PAN card, don't give PAN card. No PAN card. You can select no PAN card.
Why
So go
added
next.
ATM card?
ATM also, ATM debit or credit card. But Visa, MasterCard will be allowed. Okay. Yeah, you can select this. After that, Yeah, you can finish that. Once you submit this from your account, 2 rupees will be deducted, right? So after 1 week, that 2 rupees will be reverted to your account, right? So once you submit this account, it will take 3 hours minimum to activate the account, right? So that is why you can create today itself. Okay. Yeah. Once account is created, after that, yeah, see here. Once you submit all these things, start my free trial, right? Account will be created. After that, if you want to log in your account, console.cloud.google.com. So the URL is console.cloud.google.com. Enter here. Yeah. Now you can select your email address, whatever email address you gave, then select that. So here, this is my GCP account, right?
Ram,
Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
once we created the account, do we need to create a project?
Project will be created automatically. No need to create. Project will be created. Once account is activated, default project will be created. Later, if you want to create any projects, you can create it. Yeah, fine. So now, once we create the account, after that, once you log into the account here, it is showing project information. So this is dashboard. This is my dashboard. Once I log into my console, right? So project information, project name, project number, project ID, right? And also resources, whatever resources are there. See here, BigQuery, SQL, Compute Engine, storage, Cloud Functions, App Engine, right? Trace, getting started. So different things are there. So billing, monitoring, right? So here, error reporting, news, documentation, different things are there, right? So these are all, yeah, these are the dashboard, right? These are the information which provided by billing information and all. Zero, currently it is zero, right? So view detailed charges. If you want to check here, click on this. Any charges are there, you can check here, right? Yeah. Now go to navigation menu. This is the navigation menu, right? So this is home, dashboard, and the recently visited services. These are the recently visited services, and view all products. If you want to check all products, you can check here, right? So go down here. Here we have marketplace. So what is marketplace? In AWS also we have marketplace, right? So whatever services you require, like which are not available in the quick start, you can go to the marketplace. So click on marketplace. So here, yeah, here we have WordPress, Compute Engine, Ghost, so different things are there here, right? So go down here, maps, virtual machines, different virtual machines are there. So cloud platform, Google Cloud platform, in this Compute Engine, App Engine, Kubernetes Engine, cloud storage, right? So different services are there, right? So these are the operating systems, different operating systems like Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Windows flavors. So now click on view all. See here. So different flavors are there, different operating systems.
Mostly Ubuntu or Red Hat are popular.
Yeah, CentOS also.
These three.
So different flavors are there. Even Windows different flavors. See here, Windows also we have different flavors are available. RHCL.
Line also are covered.
Which one?
Pipeline also covered in this project.
Decline. What is that? Can you come again? I could not understand.
Pipeline, sir, pipeline.
Pipeline,
CI,
right?
CI/CD
Yeah.
pipeline.
Yes. Yeah. While working on first project, we'll go deep dive. While working on first project, we'll go deep dive. Okay.
That free tier AMI is not available in GCP.
Which one? Free
Free
tier.
tier AMI, yes.
Yeah, free tier account only, no? So we can create free tier account only. 3 months free.
This is okay, sir. I'm asking about the AMIs. We are taking this all the AMI from the marketplace, right?
Okay. Understand that. No. That is not available. Yeah, from within that limitations you can use. I'll show you that. Wait for some time. I'll show you.
Okay.
Okay. So here, these are the Windows different flavors, right? Next one, billing. If you want to check the billing, you can check here. APS and services and support. If you want to raise a ticket here, support cases, you can raise a support case here. Phone support, chat support, community support, different support. So IAM. So you can create IAM user here. Identity and access management, right? And next one, security, compliance, right? Different services. Yeah, see here, these are the compute services, compute. So in this compute service, compute engine, instead of the compute engine, we have virtual machines, VM instances, instance templates, sole tenant, nodes, machine images, different things are there. Kubernetes engine. So these are the clusters, workloads, different things are there. So VMware engine and distributed cloud, different things are there, right? Serverless storage services, file store, cloud storage, data transfer, databases, right? So big table, data store, different things are there here, and application integration. These are the application integration services. Next one is networking. So VPC. So same way we can work on GCP also. So AWS, in AWS we created VPC, right? Same way here also we can create customized VPC. Networking services, hybrid connectivity, network service tiers, different things are there. Go down here, monitoring services, monitoring, debugger, logging, profiler, trace, right? So CI/CD also available here, right? So these are the own proprietary tools. They're Google Cloud proprietary tools, right? So artifact registry means Maven, right? See here, service source repositories means Git. So these are all their own products. Okay. So tools, these are the different tools. So analytics, these are the analytic tools, right? So artificial intelligence, these are the AI tools, right? Like this. Fine. Now, how to create first VM? First VM instance we'll try to understand in GCP, right? First VM, how can we create? Yeah. So to create VM is the server, right? VM instance. To create a VM, click on this navigation menu, go down here, click on compute, go to compute engine, click on this. Just a minute. So go to compute engine, click on VM instance, right? So once you click on this, so here it is showing available VM instances. Currently there is no available instances here. VM instance, right? Yeah. So here, instance templates. If you want to check templates here, you can check templates. Nothing is there. We haven't created any templates, custom templates. Sole tenant nodes, machine images. If you want to check images, right? So disk snapshots, different things happen. Now, what I will do, I click on VM instances. Now I want to create first VM. Okay. So if you want to create VM, click on create instance. Create instance. Yeah. See here, it is showing instance name by default instance one. I can give here VM01. Instance name I want to give VM01. So here we have region zones. Region is a data center, zone also data center. In AWS we call it as availability zones, right? The same way here also we have sub zones are there. Zones are available, right? So by default it is selected US Central, right? Lower, right? So zone is yeah, US Central 1A. It is showing first zone, right? So now based on the region, this charges will be applied. This charges will be applied. So based on the region. So by default, it is selected US Central 1, $25 it is showing, right? So if you change this region, for example, I want to change US East 1. So here, same changes almost. Now what I will do, I want to switch to Europe region. It will show you different prices. Frankfurt, for example. See here, $32.7, right? So if you switch to regions, the pricing will be changed. And also if you change to Mumbai region, see here 30.5, right? If you switch to Singapore, $31, right? So switch to Sydney, bit costlier, $36, right? So like this, region to region pricing will be changed. Okay. So this is the monthly estimate charges, right? So hourly pricing will be, yeah, they will show you. So whatever we have 200, 300 credits are there, $300 credits. Within that credits only we can use the resources. So AWS, yeah, this GCP is providing $300 credits, right? Within that limitations, we have to use the resources here. Select default region. Yeah. Now, machine configuration. So series E2 series. So E2 series means server type. T2 micro, T2 nano, T2 large are there, right? In AWS. The same way, E2 series, N1 series, E3 series, like that. So E2 is, yeah, see here. If you select E2 series, 2 virtual CPUs, 4 GB memory, right? See here. So I want to use basic machine, which is N1 series, N1. See here. So in N1 series, N1 standard one virtual CPU, 3.75 GB RAM. This is the basic server, basic configuration. So in this we can use basic server when we select N1 series, right? Yeah. See here. Now go down here. See here. Boot disk. Boot disk they are giving 10 GB, 10 GB, right? So image Debian GNU image we are using. Debian GNU, right? So I want to change the image operating system. So if you want to change the operating system, click on change. Yeah, see here. So it is selected here Debian, right? So if you want to select CentOS or RHEL or Ubuntu, whatever, Ubuntu, for example, see here, Ubuntu flavors. 18.04, 20.04, 21.10. Different flavors are there, Ubuntu flavors, right? So whatever flavor you require, you can select here. The same way, if you want to select Windows, Windows Server. See here, these are the different flavors available. In Windows, we have different flavors available. So currently 2022 also available. See here, 2022 data center core version, right? So different flavors are available, Windows flavors, right? So whatever flavor you require, you can select here. So CentOS also different flavors are available. CentOS 7, yeah, 9, 8 also. RHCL, 2 flavors, right? Yeah, so default flavor is Debian, right? You can keep as is, default flavor only you can use, right? So I want to cancel here. Now, so this is the default flavor. Now here, identity and API access, default one we can use. Access scopes allow default access, allow full access to all cloud APIs, set access for each API, right? So next one, firewalls. So without enabling this firewalls, we cannot connect our server. That is why what I will do, I enable this 2 firewalls, this HTTP and HTTP. Yes, I want to allow. So both firewalls I want to allow. Click on create. So once I click on create, VM will be created. This scope is no, no, not like that. I'll show you. Yeah, now, so VM is created here. So click on VM 01. See here. So basic information. VM 01, instance ID, description, type instance, status running. So creation timestamp, right? Creation date and time. See here, this is the date and time and the zone. So this is the zone, US Central 1 C, right? See here, this is the information. Machine configuration, N1 standard 1. So Intel as well means one of the Intel processor. Next one here, network tags. So default network, this is the default network we are using. We can create customized network also, right? Storage. So this is the storage, 10 GB storage we are using, right? Fine. Now, yeah, how to connect this server? Once we create the VM, how can we connect this VM? We'll try to understand. Yeah, so to connect this VM, we have IP addresses here. Yeah, right. So internal external IP. So if you want to connect through PuTTY, you can use this external IP. Yeah, most of the time as a DevOps here, how can we connect? So here connect option is there, right? Here we have different ways to connect our VM, different ways. Okay. So click on this. See here. Open in browser window, custom port, open in browser window using provided private SSH key. View gcloud command, use another SSH client. Right? First one, open in browser window. So when you click on this, it will be automatically open in the browser. No need to log in, no need to give any login IDs. But when you use SSH client, we require username password that we have to generate, right? So now what I will do, click on open browser window. So automatically one browser will be opened and console will be connected. So click on connect. Now it is connected. Now server is connecting here. Here. So it is directly connected, right? See here. So here this is my email address, account ID. This is the server name, right? So this is Debian server, right? So now what you can do, sudo apt get update, right? Now sudo apt get install. So if you want to install Java, you can install like this. So just a minute. It is not reducing size. Okay, Java already available. Sudo apt-get install OpenJDK-8 star. Okay. Java space -version. OpenJDK-8 star. Just a minute. This console is not working properly. Yeah. So GCP is bit slow compared with AWS. It is not, not like AWS. Okay, bit slow. Now here, okay, sudo get install git. Git is installed. So like this, whatever packages you want to install, you can install. You can download packages. You can work on the consoles. This is one way to connect our GCP server. We use open in browser window, right? This is first option. So as a DevOps here, we connect like this only, real-time projects. But if you want to connect through PuTTY, how can we connect? That is important, right? So if you want to connect through PuTTY, so we have to generate one public key here. We have to generate one public key, right? So here, open PuTTY generate one public key. So now public key is generating. Wait for few 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, see here, one public key is generated here. This is the public key, right? So now here what I will do, I give my username something. Now save private key. Yes, where you want to save on desktop. Name I can give same name. Click on save. So the key is saved here in my desktop, right? So now I can copy this public key, right? Now, so key is saved right here. Now what I can do here? So go to console and open this VM. Click on this VM. Go down here. Yeah, edit here. Click on edit. Go down here. Yeah, see here. So SSH key is there, right? So here click on add item. So now you can paste that key. Whatever key you copied, that key can paste here, right? So click on save. Once you save this, it will allow you to access through putty because public key required, right? You generate public key, right? So now it will allow you to connect through putty. Now go to VM instance. Copy this VM external IP. Open partition. Paste here. Expand this SSH. Authentication. Browse. Select your key pair. Open. Here now it is allowing you to connect, right? You can give the username. Now I'm able to connect through putty session, right? So this is another way to connect, right? So either way, so in real-time projects, most of the time we connect through only browser window. Sometimes we connect through putty session also, like this.
So here the visual is visual static.
External IP is dynamic IP. External IP is dynamic IP. So internal IP is static IP. So external IP normally every time it will be changed. Whenever we start server, it will be changed. Any questions, anyone up to here?
Here we make use of
Extra to connect through putty session, we use external IP only. Clear, right, everyone? Any questions, anyone? Yeah. So there is no difference to connect our server. Either way, we can connect. Clear, right?
Sir, hello.
Yeah.
Sir, in real-time project, we can connect to putty and project administration.
So all the developers, testers, they will connect to putty only. So as a DevOps here, we'll use both, either browser window or else putty. Right?
We are used both.
Sorry,
We are used both.
both, yes. So we use both.
Okay,
Right?
thank you.
Sir, in AWS it is not possible, sir, through the browser or
Browser not possible. Yes. In AWS, not there. Option is not there. In
in
AWS,
GCP.
that option.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Current option is there. One more option is there. You can try that. Okay. So browser window. Fine. Yeah. Next one. So we created one instance right here. One VM is created right here. So this is our VM instance. Right? Yeah. So this instance here, if you want to stop your instance, you can stop from here. If you want to suspend means temporary suspend, right? You can suspend. If you want to reset, you can reset. If you want to delete, you can delete here. View network details, you can check here. Create new mission image. What is image? AMI. In AWS, we have AMI, right? So you can create one image here, right? View logs, this server logs, whatever server we created, that server logs you can view. View monitoring, whatever monitorings are enabled, you can view, right? Yeah. Now, so here also some options are there. Here, same options are there here. Yeah. Now, so here we have it is showing disks, right? So let's it is showing disks. Click on disks. It will show you server disk. See here. So this disk is balanced persistent disk. Balanced persistent disk. So normally in GCP we use this balanced persistent disk only. This is a high performance disk, right? So by default we get 10 GB, right? So zone is this one. Right? Now click on actions here. So by using this disk, you can create snapshot. You can create snapshot. You can create image. You can clone the disk also. Three options are there, right? Yeah. So this is disk, right? So if you click on this disk, see here, this is the disk information. So this is default monitoring, your disk monitoring, right? So mean throughput means that disk performance speed. So instead of the disk, some tapes will be there, right? That will rotate. That is the speed. So yeah, peak throughput and mean throughput, right? Mean operations. So peak operations, right? IOPS. What is IOPS? Input output per second, right? So IOPS is very important. That is your drive speed. Last 1 hour, 6 hours, last 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, 6 weeks. Like this, you can check the graph. How the disk is, how we use the disk graphics, like a graphic way, like you can see that. And also, what are the thresholds, like how much CPU utilization happened also you can check. So in disk level, you can check the disk utilization here. Okay. Yeah. Now default monitors. These are the default monitors, not custom monitors, right? Yeah. So now I open disk, right? So if you want to create snapshot, create snapshot here. Click on create snapshot. See here snapshot name. So source disk VM1, right? So location, multi-regional, regional. You can select whatever region you want, right? You can click on create snapshot. Once you create the snapshot, so for example, I want to create one snapshot here. Main label. Click on create. See here, snapshot is creating. So normally in real-time projects in GCP, we don't create snapshots manually. Snapshots will not be created manually. So create snapshot schedules also you can enable. So snapshot schedules. So I'll show you how to schedule a snapshot. Right? Snapshot is created here. Yeah. So by using the snapshot, so click on snapshot here. See here. So what is the size of snapshot? 506 MB only, right? So hard drive size is 10 GB. So snapshot size is 500 MB, right? So like this, when we create snapshot, it will convert into binary format. See here, disk size is 10 GB. Now click on snapshot. See here, create instance or create disk or delete snapshot. So if you want to convert into disk again, you can convert this. If you want to create instance, you can create instance. If you want to delete snapshot, you can delete the snapshot. Now I delete the snapshot quickly and I show you schedules. So if you go with create instance option, so this snapshot will be back to the no. So if you want to create instance, snapshot will not be attached. You cannot read the data from snapshot. So it will convert into disk, then it will be attached to your server. Right? Yeah, next one, create snapshot schedules. So most of the project teams they schedule the snapshots. Every day morning, early morning, 5 o'clock, snapshots will be created. Right? So click on create snapshot schedule. See here, schedule 1 and location, US Central 1, multi-regional, regional, and select location. See here, schedule options, daily, hourly, weekly. So most of the time we use daily only, we select daily only. So 2 AM to 3 AM by default selected. I want to select 5 AM to 6 AM, right? See here. So auto delete snapshots after 14 days. Normally we don't allow 14 days, we allow 7 days only. After 7 days, automatically snapshots will be deleted. Whatever snapshots created here, those will be deleted after 7 days. So until 7 days, the snapshot will be available in your console. First, we get some packages. Is it possible to see some packages? Someone is asking some question. Yeah. See here. So snapshot. Yeah. After 7 days, this will be gone. For example, today we schedule the snapshots, right? So tomorrow one deployment is there. One team is deploying the code, right? So by the time they request us to take the snapshot, we can simply reply that snapshot is already available. You can proceed with the activity. So that they can proceed with the activity. If any issues happen while deploying the code, what they will do? They will revert one email so that we can roll back to original state by using snapshots. See here, deletion rules: keep snapshots or delete snapshots of older than 7 days. Go down here. Now click, if you want to add labels, you can add labels, click on create. So once you create this, snapshot skill will be enabled every day by 5 AM. Snapshot will be created with the particular server. Right? So this is the way normally in real-time projects we enable these snapshots. You don't create manually. right? Fine. Any questions, anyone up to here? Tomorrow we'll work on VPC. How to create custom VPC. VPC is very, very important. Very important concept. Tomorrow we'll work on VPC. So Friday we have holiday. This Friday we have holiday. We don't have session Friday. Okay. So next Saturday, yeah, weekend no session. Friday we have holiday.
Only tomorrow.
Tomorrow we have session. So Friday holiday. So most of the
GCP, how many storages is there?
GCP, yeah, storage is like persistent volumes, file storage, and also bucket storage. We work on 3 storages. Right? Yeah. So you can practice this. Tomorrow we'll work on VPC. We create custom VPC. We don't create templates. We don't use templates. We don't use default templates. We create custom ranges tomorrow. Right? We use custom ranges. Fine. Yeah. So Friday we have we don't have session. Right? So tomorrow we have session. Fine. Yeah, just to keep your mind. So Friday we don't have session. Fine. So we stop here. So tomorrow we'll work on VPC. So meanwhile, you can create your account today. So that account will be activated after 1 hour, maybe after. Minimum it will take 1 hour to 3 hours to activate the account. Fine. Yeah. So we stop here. Fine. Thank you all.